Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see how many times someone viewed your story on Instagram. For example, if you want to check whether someone has repeatedly viewed your story on Instagram, and if you want to check that person, how you can see that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you're connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And here you have simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have simply turn it off again. And this will restart your Wi-Fi. And the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply search for the Instagram app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after updating the Instagram app, what you have to do, you have simply open the Instagram app, and here you can simply open your story. And after opening your story, you can simply click on your story, and after that you can simply see all of your story viewers list. And if you have seen all the viewers, then you can simply write it down, and after that you have to check again and again, so that if any repeat viewers comes, then it will be shown on the above of the list. That is the only method you can simply check whether anyone viewed your story repeatedly. But if you want to see how many times they have viewed it, the only method is you can check again and again. But if you want data about that, then Instagram does not provide any kind of data related to that. So it will only tell you that that person has viewed your story recently, but it doesn't tell you how many times that person has viewed your story on Instagram. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.